Let's talk about a struggle many men face, but often keep hidden behind closed doors. It's something that can feel isolating, even though it's incredibly common: performance anxiety in the bedroom. Imagine being with someone you care about deeply, wanting to connect. But instead of enjoying the closeness, your mind is racing with worry. What if it ends too soon? What if you disappoint your partner? This anxiety can transform what should be a moment of intimacy and pleasure into a stressful race against time, leaving both partners feeling disconnected and unfulfilled. Take Mark, for example, a confident professional in every other aspect of his life, but in the bedroom, he felt like he was failing at something that should come naturally. He tried every trick he could think of, distracting himself with random thoughts, changing positions, even mentally checking out of the moment. But nothing seemed to work, and the pressure only grew. These tactics, instead of helping, just created more distance between him and his partner. The bedroom became a place of stress and self-doubt, rather than connection and comfort. Mark started to avoid intimacy altogether, making excuses and pulling away, while his partner was left confused and wondering if she was somehow to blame. The silence and shame built a wall between them, making it even harder to talk about what was really going on. But here's the truth. This isn't just Mark's story. It's a struggle shared by countless men, from all walks of life. If you're experiencing this, you're far from alone. Many men turn to medications or numbing creams, hoping for a quick fix. But these solutions often come with unwanted side effects, or worse, they can take the spontaneity and excitement out of the moment. Mark tried them all: pills, sprays, creams, but nothing felt natural or truly satisfying. Instead, he was left feeling more frustrated and hopeless. He was on the verge of giving up, convinced that things would never change, until he discovered a better way forward. What if there was a discreet, natural solution that could help restore control and confidence without sacrificing intimacy or spontaneity? That's where VigRX Delay Wipes come in, a simple, effective way to help men take back control and enjoy intimacy the way it's meant to be. After years of frustration, a breakthrough arrived: VigRX Delay Wipes. We investigated this product to see if it lived up to the hype. VigRX Delay Wipes are individually packaged, all natural towelettes designed for quick, discreet use. No pills, no messy creams, no complicated steps, just wipe, wait a few minutes, and you're ready. They fit in your wallet, perfect for any moment. The formula avoids harsh numbing agents, so you keep sensation while gaining control. Instead of chemicals, VigRX uses natural botanicals to gently delay climax. The key: Zanthoxylum fruit extract and clove flower extract, trusted for centuries. These ingredients help you last longer without sacrificing pleasure. It's a smarter, more natural way to enjoy intimacy. Let's break down exactly how VigRX Delay Wipes work their magic and why they're different from anything you've tried before. If you've ever felt anxious about lasting longer, you're not alone, and these wipes are designed to help you feel confident, not worried. The secret is in the natural plant-based ingredients: Japanese prickly ash and clove extract. These powerful botanicals interact with nerve endings in the most sensitive areas, gently calming overexcited nerves without harsh chemicals or synthetic additives. Instead of numbing you, you'll notice a subtle tingling sensation. This means you stay fully present, aware, and in control of your experience, so you can enjoy every moment without feeling disconnected. Application is simple and discreet. Just wipe directly onto the most sensitive areas, and the formula absorbs quickly, so you don't have to wait around or worry about mess. Because it's a topical solution, the effect is localized, meaning it works exactly where you need it, with no impact on the rest of your body. Unlike oral medications, there's no risk of unwanted side effects or waiting for a pill to kick in. After just 5 to 10 minutes, the formula is locked in. There's no greasy residue, no stickiness, and nothing left behind to transfer to your partner. Just clean, dry skin. That means your partner's pleasure isn't compromised in any way. They get to feel everything just as nature intended. You get the control you want, and they get the full sensation they deserve. It's a win-win for both of you. The result? More connected, satisfying intimacy for both of you without stress or second-guessing. There are no awkward interruptions, no loss of spontaneity, and no need to break the mood. It's a simple, effective way to last longer and enjoy intimacy on your own terms, whenever the moment feels right. No more worrying about side effects, No more stress about ruining the moment, and no more relying on pills or complicated routines. VigRX Delay Wipes put you back in the driver's seat, giving you the confidence to take control of your experience. Enjoy every moment, every touch, and every connection, with real confidence and peace of mind. With VigRX Delay Wipes, it's a win-win for your relationship and for your confidence, so you can focus on what really matters, each other. VigRX Delay Wipes aren't just about lasting longer, they're about transforming your intimate life. With more control, you can slow down, build passion, and truly connect with your partner. The discreet, wallet-sized packets mean you're always prepared, without any embarrassment. No bulky bottles, no awkward explanations. Just grab and go. The all-natural formula gives you peace of mind, avoiding harsh chemicals and side effects. You get to enjoy every sensation, not lose it. Your partner's experience isn't dulled, so pleasure is shared, not sacrificed. The wipes fit seamlessly into your routine, keeping the mood intact. It's about confidence, connection, and mutual satisfaction. No more mechanical detached encounters. Just passionate, fulfilling intimacy, every time. VigRX Delay Wipes help you be the attentive, confident lover you want to be. That's the real benefit. The real proof? It's not just in the science or the claims, it's in the lives that have been changed. Stories from men who've tried VigRX Delay Wipes reveal the true impact. Real men, real challenges, and real victories. David, 42, once felt he was letting his wife down. He struggled with self-doubt and worried his marriage was slipping away, until VigRX helped him last over 20 minutes, giving him the confidence to reconnect and ultimately saving his marriage. Ben, 28, dreaded dating because of performance anxiety. He avoided relationships, fearing embarrassment and disappointment. With VigRX, he finally relaxed, let go of his worries, and connected on a deeper level, enjoying dating and intimacy for the first time in years. Michael, in his 50s, reignited passion in a decades-long relationship. He and his partner rediscovered the spark they thought was lost. The wipes let him focus on his partner's pleasure, not his own worries, deepening their emotional and physical connection. These men didn't just last longer, they rediscovered confidence, intimacy, and a sense of control they thought was gone. The fear of premature ejaculation disappeared, replaced by genuine connection, pleasure, and a new sense of freedom. This psychological shift is as powerful as the physical results. It's about feeling empowered in every aspect of life. Men report feeling more in control, more masculine, and more capable, not just in the bedroom but in their daily lives. That confidence spills over into every part of life. Work, friendships, and self-image all benefit. It's not just about sex, it's about happiness, self-esteem, and truly enjoying life's moments with those you love. One discreet wipe can spark a transformation, quietly, easily, and without anyone else knowing. The result? Stronger relationships, renewed passion, and a happier, more confident you, inside and out. VigRX Delay Wipes are changing lives, one story at a time. Every testimonial is a reminder that transformation is possible. You could be next. Why not experience it for yourself? Take the first step toward a more confident, fulfilled you. Let's be honest, every product has pros and cons. The pros: VigRX Delay Wipes are effective, natural, and easy to use. No harsh chemicals, no side effects, no loss of sensation. Discreet packaging means privacy and convenience. The wipes are only available online, which some find inconvenient, but it ensures authenticity and privacy. High demand can mean limited stock, so plan ahead. Rarely, those with allergies to clove or botanicals should test first. Overall, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. You get control, confidence, and a better intimate life. It's a practical, modern solution for a common problem. Make an informed choice and see the difference. For a limited time, VigRX is offering exclusive discounts on multi-month supplies, plus free shipping on select packages. Orders are shipped discreetly in plain boxes for your privacy. Stock up now to save money and always be prepared. Continued use builds confidence and transforms your intimate life. This is more than a product, it's an investment in your relationship and self-esteem. Don't miss out. Visit the official VigRX Delay Wipes website through the link provided. Discounts are applied automatically, but supplies are limited. Take advantage of this special 2025 offer before it's gone. Start your journey to greater confidence and satisfaction today. Worried about trying something new? VigRX Delay Wipes come with a 67-day, no-questions-asked money-back guarantee. Try them risk-free for over 2 months. If you're not satisfied, return the unused portion, even empty boxes, for a full refund. This guarantee shows VigRX's confidence in their product and commitment to your satisfaction. There's no financial risk, just the chance to transform your intimate life. Don't let doubt hold you back. With VigRX, your satisfaction is the top priority. Take the step with total confidence. Today we've tackled a sensitive topic that affects countless men. We've seen how VigRX Delay Wipes offer a natural, discreet solution for lasting longer and regaining confidence. Real stories prove the transformation is possible. With the special offer and money-back guarantee, there's no reason to wait. You can choose to keep struggling, or take a simple step toward a new reality. Imagine entering the bedroom with confidence, focusing on pleasure, not anxiety. VigRX Delay Wipes can help you achieve that. Don't let another day go by feeling less than your best. Click the link, try VigRX Delay Wipes, and reclaim your intimate life. You deserve it, and so does your partner.